Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data storage, a critical component of our digital lives that often goes unnoticed. And when you talk about storage, one name stands tall: Western Digital. For decades, they've been a cornerstone of the industry, powering everything from the family computer in your living room to the massive, sprawling data centers that run the cloud. But what are they up to right now, in 2025? What's the cutting-edge tech they're bringing to the table? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the workhorse of the data center, the hard disk drive, or HDD. You might think HDDs are old news, but you couldn't be more wrong. Western Digital is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with their UltraStar enterprise drives. We're talking about mind-boggling capacities, now soaring past the 30 terabyte mark per drive. How do they do it? It's a combination of incredible engineering. They use something called energy-assisted magnetic recording, or EMR. Think of it as using a tiny, focused energy beam to write data more precisely onto the disk platter, allowing them to pack more information into the same space. On top of that, they continue to perfect their heliocell technology. By sealing the drives and filling them with helium instead of air, they reduce internal friction and platter flutter. Helium is much less dense than air, so the spinning disks encounter less resistance. This allows for thinner platters, more of them stacked inside, and it reduces the power needed to spin them. It's a brilliant solution that boosts both capacity and energy efficiency, but the real game changer is OptiNAND. This is where WD masterfully blends the best of both worlds. They've integrated a small amount of their own NAND Flash memory, the same kind of stuff in SSDs, directly onto the hard drive as circuit board. This isn't for user storage, it's much smarter. This flash memory stores critical metadata and operational data, offloading it from the main spinning platters. In a power loss event, it ensures that data in transit is safely written, dramatically improving reliability. More importantly, it helps the drive manage its internal operations much more efficiently, which in turn boosts performance and allows them to squeeze out even more capacity. It's a hybrid approach that makes their HDDs faster, more reliable, and bigger than ever before. Now, let's shift gears literally and talk about speed. When performance is paramount, you look to solid-state drives, or SSDs, and Western Digital is a dominant force here, particularly with their NVMe drives. For gamers and high-performance PC enthusiasts, the WD Black line is legendary. This SN850X, for example, is a monster of a drive. It leverages the PCI Gen 4 interface to deliver blistering read and write speeds, meaning games load in a flash, levels transition seamlessly, and your entire system feels incredibly responsive. It's the kind of upgrade that you can truly feel every single day, but Western Digital's flash expertise isn't just for play. In the demanding world of enterprise computing, their UltraStar NVMe SSDs are the backbone for big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning workloads. These applications require constant, rapid access to massive datasets. And that's exactly what these drives are built for: unrelenting performance and endurance. 24/7. The foundation of all this flash storage is the NAND chip itself. Western Digital, and its partnership with Kioxia, is a leader in developing 3D NAND technology, which they call BICs. Think of it like building a skyscraper instead of a single-story building. By stacking memory cells vertically, they can dramatically increase storage density. They are now well beyond 160 layers. And they're not stopping. More layers mean you can store more data in a smaller physical footprint, and it also improves power efficiency and reduces the cost per gigabyte. This continuous innovation is what makes high-capacity SSDs more and more accessible to everyone. Of course, Western Digital's reach extends far beyond the PC and the data center. Through their hugely popular SanDisk brand, they are an integral part of our everyday mobile lives. If you're a content creator on the go, you've probably used a SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. These rugged, pocket-sized drives are perfect for offloading footage from your camera in the field, editing videos on a laptop, or just carrying your portfolio with you. They offer SSD speed in a durable package you can take anywhere. And what about the tiny, ubiquitous microSD card? There's a very good chance the one in your smartphone, drone, action camera, or Nintendo Switch is a SanDisk. From the high-endurance cards designed for security cameras to the ultra-fast cards needed for 4K video recording, SanDisk provides the reliable, compact storage that powers the devices we use every single day. It's a testament to their ability to scale technology from the largest data centers down to the smallest consumer gadgets. Looking ahead, Western Digital isn't just focused on making storage bigger and faster. They're also making it smarter and more sustainable. They are pioneering next-generation storage architectures like zone storage. This includes technologies like shingled magnetic recording, or SMR, for hard drives. In SMR drives, data tracks are overlapped like shingles on a roof, increasing density. This requires a more intelligent way of writing data, but for large-scale, sequential data applications like archiving, it offers huge capacity and cost benefits. Sustainability is also becoming a core part of their design philosophy. Every new generation of drives is engineered to deliver more storage capacity while consuming less power per terabyte. This is incredibly important in massive data centers where electricity and cooling are major operational costs and environmental concerns. By focusing on energy efficiency and designing drives with recycled materials, Western Digital is addressing the critical need for a more sustainable digital infrastructure. They are proving that you can advance technology while also being mindful of its environmental footprint. So, from the helium-filled, multi-terabyte giants in the cloud, to the lightning-fast SSDs in our gaming rigs, and the tiny memory cards in our pockets, Western Digital is truly driving the future of data. Their continuous innovation ensures that as our digital world expands, we'll have the storage solutions to support it reliably, efficiently, and sustainably. What Western Digital or SanDisk products are you using? A speedy NVMe drive in your PC? A portable SSD for your creative work? Or a trusty SD card in your camera? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear about your setup. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this deep dive interesting, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next tech exploration. Until next time, stay curious.